Appointment of Appeal Court Justice. Judge orders speeding hearing of suit against NJC. AGF orders. Hello, my wonderful people. Nigerians are beginning to wake up, to realize and to accept that you cannot keep quiet in this nation. Although there is injustice, yes, although there are those who do not want to accept that you have rights. Our judiciary system is all bought up, you know. Our judiciary system, there are no judges honest. I mean, there are hardly judges that are really sincerely honest, who are trustworthy, who could be looked up to give the fair justice and judgment, delivering it in cases. You know, Attorney General of the Federation has been taken to court. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. God bless you. Appointment of Appeal Court Justice. Judge orders speeding hearing of suit against NJC. AGF orders. Abuja Justice Ihego Ekenwo of the Federal High Court has ordered accelerated hearing in a suit filed by Alagbo Development Foundation (ADF) against the National Judiciary Council (NJC), the President of the Court of Appeal, and the Attorney General of the Federation. By the suit filed through their counsel, Mr. Maxwell Ozeke, the plaintiff is challenging the imbalanced, lopsided distribution of federal amenities, offices, and marginalization of Indigbos in Nigeria. The plaintiff contends that the issue was now ascribed to be unbearable, alarming, proportional, and most surprising event in the whole temple of justice. Indigbo should no longer continue to fold their arms while things are rightfully and legitimately due to be taken away and given to other zones, the group stated in court papers. When the matter came up on Monday, Justice Ekenwo said after going through the processes before him, he has looked at it thoroughly. He was convinced that the matter is the type that should be heard speedily. According to the court order, an aberrament of time and order the defense to file their response to the suit within 5 days upon receipt of the service. Justice Ekenwo also directed that all proceedings related to the suit should be served to the National Judiciary Council, Federal Judiciary Service Commission, FJSC, and the Attorney General of the Federation, since they were not represented in court. More so, the justice system must do right to ensure people get fairness. Judge directed Deputy Registrar of the Court to issue hearing notice to all parties before the adjournment date of April the 8th, 2021. This is getting really interesting. So the Attorney General of the Federation, who rather feels untouchable, remember this very man, you know, himself and Buhari have been doing very atrocious things in this nation. Yes, I say atrocious because these people in broad daylight are committing crime, you know, things that are against the system, and they go scot-free. You know, so, I mean, this Indigbo, this man has come up to court to say this is not fair, this is not right, and has gotten all his papers and everything ready to challenge this in court. The judge saw it and said, yes, this should be heard immediately. Why in this country there are things that are not done properly, you know, and if we have judges who will say the truth, then maybe Nigeria will begin to turn a new leaf if by 2023 the country is still one together. So Indigbos, you know, through this man, is coming up to say it is high time the Attorney General of the Federation explain to Nigerians. I mean, at the end of this suit, we will see where it will lead to. Either, you know, some appointments might be withdrawn if the judge, give the case a fair hearing and, award to the people the complainants that really they've been marginalized. Marginalization has been the characteristics of Buhari's government. Yes, Buhari's government is known for nepotism. If you go and check, since he came into power, he has systematically replaced almost everybody. You see, he has systematically replaced almost everybody with people from a particular region. But why? Why is the question? Why would you continue to ignore other people and put some people as though they are the only people? You know what? It's giving power to them so that others are subordinate. When you are not in the corridor of power, it's really very difficult for you to make a decision or to bring an idea that will rub off on the nation. And so he's doing this on purpose, so that by the time he leaves power, some of these persons will still be in power. What he's doing is he's protecting his interests. So people he has helped and has aided will not be able to probe him. And even when the probe begins, he will be safe in his office or wherever by the time he has retired and all that. Because when the matter gets to the decks of these people, they will cleverly either bury it or make it not to see the light of the day. Take, for instance, new judges were sworn in. Oh, Nigeria, God have mercy. 24 new judges, Chief Justice, were sworn in Nigeria. Do you know that 20 of the new ones, 20 are from the north, 4 from the other region? Is the north the only region we have in this country? So how do you explain equality, fairness, and justice? So if there is an issue and the north has interest in that matter, how can somebody from any other region, if God does not intervene, get a fair hearing, honest, fair, true justice in that kind of situation? I tell you, it will be almost impossible. So what he's doing is surrounding himself with men and women that will, that will give him power, that will make him stay, and protect his interests, so to say. So people, this is what is happening. The Attorney General of the Federation may be seeing prison soon, all things being equal. Leave us a comment. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.